In this video, I'll show you how to build a Facebook page from scratch so you can start sharing content and growing your audience. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Pages. On the Pages screen, tap Create to start creating a new page. Facebook will ask you to enter a page name, so type the name you want for your page. Next, choose a category that best describes your page, such as business, brand, or community. After selecting the category, tap Next to continue. You can then add a bio or description to tell people what your page is about. Once that is done, Facebook will give you the option to add a profile picture and a cover photo. These images help make your page look more professional and attractive to visitors. After uploading the photos, tap Create Page to finish the setup. Your new page will now be live, and you can start posting updates, photos, or videos to share with your audience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.